This is everything you need to know about fitting your CPAP mask. My name is Daniel, respiratory therapist at Lofta. So one thing I get commonly asked is how to fit the mask. How tight should it be? How loose should it be? I'm gonna go over that with you. I'm gonna simply show you how a full face mask fits on your face, a nasal mask, and pillow mask. All right, so we've got the sizing guide here for the F20 mask. This was included in your home sleep test kit. This is great if you wanna sort of find the best size for you or correct size for you. I've got Lofty Larry here to demonstrate. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna place this placard on the bridge of your nose, or the arrow is pointing at the bridge of your nose, and then wherever this points at, so wherever that sort of colored circle is, the small, medium, and large, wherever that sat between your bottom lip and chin, that's the appropriate size. So for Mr. Lofta Larry here, looks like it's a small. All right, so I've got the ResMed F20 mask here. The best way to put this on you is to put the cushion up against your face and pull the headgear over your head, which I'll demo right now. So we've got this position as such to where the top part of the cushion is on the bridge of his nose. The bottom part of the cushion is between his chin and bottom lip. And then as I flip him over to the back, you want the bottom part of the headgear on the base of the skull and the top part of the headgear on the crown of the head. As I turn him over to a profile, you'll see these straps here that can be adjusted. You want to evenly adjust the straps as needed to your comfort level. You know, you want it snug, but not too tight. So you'll notice there's a bottom strap and a top strap. And again, what's important is just making sure both sides are even. All right, that concludes today's video. Please subscribe to the channel. We'll be having more stuff down the line. Thanks.